Hello, my name is Raquel and I run a jewelry business along with my husband, and we run our business locally in our country, our home country, and this year we are trying to go international. But in order to do that, we wanted to offer something different, something unique, right, where we could actually create and make our own jewelry. So we purchased the BOGONG machine. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. This machine has definitely added a lot of benefits to our business. The machine that we have is a 60-watt machine, and it can do both cutting and engraving, which was exactly what we wanted. So by purchasing the BOGONG machine, we were able to expand our product and service business. All right. So from the product side, we were able to offer a variety of jewelry styles through customization. So we're able to create a more variety and customization in our business by offering engravings on jewelry pieces such as chains and ID band style, bracelets, watches, etc. So the feedback from our customers were really good. They love the engraving, they love the style of engraving. It is very clean and simple, and we actually, as well, you can see the different styles that I'll be putting on the screen here. It is very clean and simple. So we haven't explored everything that the machine can do because we are still sort of in the learning phase, but so far for this Christmas it actually has exploded sales for us, and our customers love the fact that we can actually do engraving now. So from the service point of view, customers are so happy that they can actually bring the items or their own jewelry that they probably bought a long time from us to be engraved right now. Not only that, we have wedding gifts, we have birthday gifts, that people actually bring to us and ask us to engrave it for us. So our next step with the machine is to start cutting. We haven't explored the cutting side. We actually already purchased the steel to do that. So customers are actually waiting for that because we want to start doing the name, the cut out names for chains and bracelets and rings, etc. So I actually want to say something about the BOGONG customer service. The customer service was very good. They explained everything. They provided as much details as possible, and using the software also to insert the names to be engraved. That was very good. I mean, it was easy to use. It was easy for us to catch on. We also got a manual that is very detailed as well, providing us much information, and we can actually reach out to them at any time, at any point in time, to get information about the machine. And it was well packed. We didn't have any damaged parts at all. It also came with 2 goggles, and also little samples so you can actually do the cutting. And I actually love using it. I am not a very technical person, so my husband is the engineer, so he's the one who's actually using it and teaching me how to use it. So I really love the fact that I'm actually learning a skill. Okay, but we love the machine. We both love using it. And also with the machine, you can use other design softwares where you can actually create your design to cut, right? So we are actually exploring other design software that we can use, such as Adobe and iPicky, so we're actually looking into that, which, just exploring the different options. As I said, we haven't unlocked all the features that the machine is capable of doing as yet, but we will be doing that definitely throughout the year.